I know the extent of disaster. I know. But the mounting an operation of this size and magnitude requires time to build up.
There has been a great deal of criticism, President, about
Well,
relief.
I can't help people criticizing. The point is, my government and my people are at it the whole time. My job is to get on with the work and forget the criticism.
Are you happy, sir, that enough is being
I
done?
am satisfied and I'm going to satisfy myself more. If I'm not satisfied on this store, I shall then do something about it. But so far, they are doing their damnedest.
Why do you think there's so much criticism in East Pakistan, sir?
Well, how can I tell you that? Please, at this stage, I'm out to do a job of work. I'll tell you all about it when I come back from visit.
Was it a political thing, do you suppose? The
I
criticism?
have no comments at this stage.
Are you happy, sir, that the international response has been a good one?
Extremely happy. I think it's been a magnificent response. It's really unprecedented in the world history, the way the world community has come to help us.